Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting lakes, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back about 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Center dreads nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the dark. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing assists to all my homies, got feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping, got to take the sissy in. Hurt the blind, lead the blind, but I got the vision in. Know the street deficient, needed my assistance. Real since my existing years, came a long distance.
So many days I get you stuck in no ways. Let me always raise.
Look, I ain't turning down to nothing. Shimmy the crown or something. Unit full of G's. Back when Lord Bay told me how to stun it. Pops was slinging, yeah, yo, he was getting to the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now my statements in the plus. The brakes I hit the thrust. Garden stakes I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city. Cause know what's up, but
some of these days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it always raise. Hush, get it this way.